Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to enable or disable the pickup code function in the Bolt app. Just open the app and go to your account, which you can find at the bottom of the page. And now click on Safety, and here is this pickup code option. Tap on it and enable this button here. If you are not worried about your daytime rides, then you can select this for night trips only option, which means that the pickup code will be needed only for night trips. I think it's quite useful. I hope you will find it helpful as well. Have a very nice day.